Astra plus WooCommerce is fast, clean, and powerful. But here's the thing, there is no built-in product compare feature. Let's fix that, and we'll take it even further. I'll show you how to use AutoDP's Compare Product tool to add a full compare system to your store, plus a custom dynamic compare section right on your product page. That means customers can instantly see the differences that matter without bouncing around your site. If you want a smarter shopping experiences and higher conversions, this is a game changer, so let's dive right in. Normally, when you think of a compare plugin, you think of something like this, where they can just add stuff to a compare list, and then they can compare it right here. And some will even have the ability to search for other compare products right here. And yes, that is nice, but not every customer is going to be tech savvy enough to use that, or they just might be casually shopping. So how do you fix that? Well, on RJP's Compare Product tool, it will automatically generate this list from what they viewed with the matching attributes and also what they've already put in here. So it's automatically going to start filling this out for them as they're shopping, similar to what Amazon does. But there's even one more powerful thing you can do with this is you can go ahead and build out your own. This means you can use something called feature creep that will allow customer to find the exact thing they want at a price point they're comfortable with. So let's set one up right now. And we're just going to do the same thing. We're going to do 3D printers. And we'll just go ahead and start adding them. And eventually we'll have all of them. And there we go. Now we're going to want to add a cart button, show price, show star reviews, and show brand. So now you can see prices down here. We can go ahead and move it up here. And now we can see that what everything is priced at. You can show a cheaper one here and get more expensive. And you can also remove or add any of these as well. Now we're going to add this to before products or before related products, because that's the best spot for it. And hit update. We'll view this product. And now you can see it here. And I'll prove it to you. We'll move this green one right there. Update it. View product. And now the green one is in that spot. This is a great way for you to take control of that compare products experience for the customer and show them other products that they may like at different various price points. And that's not all, because you don't have to do any of this. So we'll set up the actual automatic compare section, and it will live within the WooCommerce and then compare settings. You can change all the colors of the graph, change it from an icon to a checkbox. I like checkbox, looks clean, but you get all the hover and other color controls. And now the dynamic compares. Right now the dynamics set not to auto. We can set it to auto. Before related products, which is the best place, but you have other areas you can put it. And you can allow, if you don't want them to create their own, you can disable that. You can put a maximum amount of products they can pick. Now attribute select mode. So it's going to be all attributes, but you can select common. And then you can choose where the add to the compare list is before, on the shop page and your product page. You can exclude products, and you can set a minimum amount required for it to start displaying that in the dynamic section. So if you don't want ones that have none, you can put 2 or 3. And you can also exclude attributes you just don't want to have. So it gives you some flexibility, and you can really control it however you like. As you can see, this plugin is very, very powerful. It gives your customers the ability to compare products without them doing anything. It's just going to start working for them. That will increase their confidence of finding the right item, as well as a higher conversion rate. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.